Well, welcome everyone. I'm going to talk about the concept that lean is simple. You know, everybody wants Nirvana, everybody wants heaven. Well, what if I told you that I live in heaven, that I have found Nirvana, that my life is heaven and Nirvana? You would say, no way. I have, and I'm going to explain. So first of all, you think about the human brain. Okay, our brain is here to solve problems. Every one of you, as professionals, you're solving problems. You're adding value for your customers because they have a problem. They need to create a better environment. So your brain was made to solve problems. Your brain was not made to sit statically and just say, okay, everything's perfect. Heaven, we think of heaven as being everything perfect. We think of Nirvana as everything being perfect. But you know what? That's not heaven. Heaven is where everything is improving. I want you to think long and hard about what I just said. The way I came up with this concept is one of my practitioners from the United States came to me and said, Paul, you know what? I realized I'm in heaven when I'm doing 2-second lean. I go, what? I've never heard of that. He goes, yes, it's like being in heaven because every day I go to work and everything is getting better. It's better than the day before. And I thought to myself, when you're in a lean environment, you're always improving everything. You're using your brain exactly the way it was intended. Therefore, you're in heaven.